In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Afterpay to your Shopify store. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your admin store on Shopify. Then from here, you need to go down to settings down here and go over to where it says payment right here. Then from here, you need to go down to additional payment method and click add payment method. Then from here, you can either search by payment method or search by provider. For this tutorial, I'll just choose search by payment method and go over to the search bar and click Afterpay like so. Then you need to click on it, and here you can see you'll have 5 providers that offer this payment methods, and you can choose any of these where you can see Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and 37 others, and this is the one I will use. Then from here you can go up to click install right here. Then from here you'll see install app, and you'll need to click install. Then from here you can log in with your Afterpay bill and Shopify key, and then click continue. And then you'll have integrated Afterpay inside of your Shopify store. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!